What's up guys, my name's Lawrence Langley, the creator and founder of Barber Pro Online. If you are interested in getting trained up as a barber by industry leading professionals, just click the link in the description below for more information. So today we're going to delve into a little bit of marketing yourself as a barber and a little bit of the things of what to do and what not to do. Now, a massive part of your barbering is your marketing, and the reason for this is you could be the best barber in the world, but if people don't know you exist, they're not going to come to you for a haircut. I see so many barbers out there using dated marketing techniques that just don't work anymore. Stuff like loyalty cards and flyers. Now, the reason loyalty cards don't work, say that you're offering your 10th haircut for free, and on the 9th haircut, you can make a complete mess of someone's hair. Someone's not going to come back just because you've got the 10th haircut for free. They're going to go somewhere else because they want a good haircut. Loyalty cards work for things like car washes, coffee shops, because it's not as much as a personal service. Now, if you're offering your 10th haircut for free, now if you cut someone's hair for the 9th time and you completely mess it up, they're not going to come back to you just because the 10th one's free. Now, for example, say I was in a new town or a new city and I wanted my haircut and there were two barbershops right next to each other and one was charging £10 and one was charging £25. Now personally, I'd go to the one charging £25 because I'd assume that they offer a better service and a better haircut, and that's what I want. People don't go for a haircut wanting the cheapest haircut out there. People go for the best haircut and the best service, and a lot of times they're willing to pay for that. First thing you want to be doing when you're advertising as a barber is making out that you're really busy. Even if you're not busy, people want to go to a busy barber. So handing out a flyer is not going to do this. You're probably thinking, how do I market myself then? Well, social media ads. Any big business owner out there will tell you, you're better off getting your ad out in front of 100 relevant eyes than 1,000 irrelevant eyes. If you really want to grow your clientele and you really want to make some money, the best thing to do is get your client with the best hair, cut his hair after work or on your day off, take some really good photos, some really good videos, and then you want to whack it on Instagram, on Facebook, and then what you want to do is for as little as £2-3 a day, you can get that out to all your target audience in the local area. And I guarantee you will build clients from this, and you will be charging that top market price for your haircuts. Hope you enjoyed that video guys. We're going to be releasing a lot more content like this, so if you enjoyed that and got something out of it, click the subscribe button to see more.